Hello guys, welcome to my channel that is Vanyme. And those who doesn't know me, let me introduce myself Lavlisha. And आज का वीडियो without wasting any time फटाफट से स्टार्ट करते हैं. Let's have a look guys. This video is all about an acrylic painting of the nature view, the surrounding, the environment around us. I hope you guys would love the video. Then don't forget to like, comment, share, as well subscribe to my channel that is Vanyme. And also don't miss the end, cause there is a twist at end. Tada!